Good morning, students. As we were discussing in accountancy, the bank reconciliation statement, and we know how to calculate the bank reconciliation statement and how to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. In that case, while preparing that one, I've explained the one methodology that is using of debit and credit to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. As you know, it is not an accounting, it is only the reconciliation, mean compatibility between the two balances. So as in your book, the method is given, that is plus minus or add or less. Now how to do the questions by using that method which is given in your book. One thing remember, that is balance as per cash book, which is called debit balance, always shows the positive balance. Either we will take this balance as per cash book, that is credit balance or overdraft balance. It is better to understand, if you write debit balance, it is write credit balance, don't write here, then it is more clear. Debit balance per cash book is positive balance, credit balance as per cash book is negative balance, that is also called overdraft. Likewise, credit balance as per passbook, it shows the plus balance, positive balance, and debit balance as per passbook shows negative balance or minus balance. In these two and these two are of same nature. If debit balance per cash book is given, they will find the credit balance as per passbook. If credit balance as per cash book is given, they will find the debit balance as per passbook. This is also called overdraft balance. So, what items should be plus and what items should be minus from these base which we have taken as the base balance. That is, items which decreases the cash book should be plus. Items which increases the cash book balance should be minus. What is the meaning of it? Items which decreases the cash book in comparison to the passbook, that should be plus, then it become equal to the passbook. Items which increase the cash book mean in the comparison of passbook, if it is increasing, then reduce it, it will become equal to the passbook. Vice versa in the passbook. Items which decrease the passbook in comparison to the cash book, plus item. Items which increase the passbook minus in comparison to the cash book. So decrease in cash book mean increase in the passbook. Increase in the cash book mean decrease in the passbook. So this is the one thing, and we will do likewise this. Now see how it is. I am taking one question. When the favorable balance of cash book is given, that is question number 5 in your book, page number 11.35. On comparing the cash book with passbook of Naman, it is found that on March 31st, 2018, bank balance of 40,960 showed by the cash book differs from the bank balance with regard in the following. That is, bank charges rupees 100 March 31st 2018 are not entered in the cash book. On March 21st 2018, a debtors paid 2000 into the company's bank in statement of his account, but no entry was made in the cash book. Checks totaling 12,980 were issued by the company and duly recorded in the cash book before March 31st, but not being presented at the bank for payment. A bill 6,900 discounted with the bank is entered in the cash book without recording the amount of discount or discount charges rupees 800. 3,520 is entered in the cash book as paid into bank on March 31st 18 but not credited by the bank. No entry has been made in the cash book record the dishonor on March 15 2018 a check rupees 650 received from one. Now see preparation of reconciliation statement. The same manner as you already done. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2018, that is up to 31st March 18. Its particular its plus item, it is minus item. Now see, if it is the balance as per cash book, cash book mean balance as per cash book mean favorable balance, that is debit balance, and it is debit is always positive, credit is negative. The same manner you do it. Very first is bank charges 100 on March are not entered in cash book. In the cash book, that is not written in bank charges credit debited in passbook. Mean that was deducted from the passbook, but was not deducted in cash book. That means in comparison to the passbook, cash book is showing increased balance of rupees 100 than the passbook. The items which increases, decrease it. The item which decreases, plus it. Which increases, minus it. Which decreases, plus it. So here, bank charges not entered in cash book. Rupees 100. Then what to do? Minus it. It should be because cash book increased than the passbook. Because in passbook it was deducted. So that should be reduced from the cash book also. Second is debtors paid 2,000 into the company's bank. Mean one of your customer or debtor directly deposited in your bank account. The bank have increased. Once the bank increased, the cash book is showing decreased balance in the comparison to the passbook. So cash book should also be increased, and that is to direct deposit made by debtor in bank not entered in cash book. And this is the figure 2,000 plus it is plus item. Now next is checks totaling 12,900 were issued, that was deducted in the cash book. It was presented in the credit side, written in the credit side. So the balance is being reduced, decreased. but was not presented for payment in the bank. That is not presented over there. If once it is not presented, the passbook balance will show increased balance in the comparison to the cash book, or cash book will show the decreased balance in comparison to the passbook. As it is decreased balance, this particular item is decreasing the balance of the cash book, and we have taken the balance as per cash book. So if it was decreasing, so that should be increased. That is, you will write increased plus item, checks issued but not presented for payment. $12,980. And this balance was not written. That was 40,960. 40,960. Now next is bill of 6,900 discounted with the bank is entered in the cash book without recording the discount charge of rupees 800. A bill of rupees 6,900. This is the bills of exchange. The bills of exchange mean the Mr. Daman have drawn a bills of exchange on the person, on the debtor who accepted the bill. That is bill receivable for the Daman. And that bill receivable is discounted from the bank. In bank have reduced the money, and then that is credited in your bank account. And the bill was of rupees 6,900, on which discount was deducted by the bank 800. It means your passbook was credited by rupees only 6,100, but in the cash book it was debited as 6,900. Mean 800 more was debited in cash book, 800 more was written in the cash book. So this cash book balance is in showing increased balance by rupees 800 in the comparison to the passbook. So we will not write the 6,900, we will write the only 800, and that is the minus item that will be reduced from the cash book because it was shown excess than the passbook. Bill receivable discounted but entered in cash book without discount of rupees 800. 800 is the minus item. Now fifth item is rupees 3,500 entered in the cash book as paid into bank, that was deposited in the bank but not collected, that is not credited by the bank. Rupees deposited in bank or paid into bank but not credited yet. Mean that was debited in cash book but not credited in passbook, means the cash book showing the increased balance in the comparison to the passbook. So that should be reduced. It's minus item 3,520. And no entry has been made in the cash book to record the dishonor on March 15. Mean one check was deposited in bank, now it is dishonored and not entered in the cash book, means simply the check sent to bank that was debited in cash book but dishonored, mean it is not credited in the passbook. So the cash book is showing increased balance in the comparison to the passbook, that is also minus item. So right here check paid into bank but dishonored. that is 600 minus L. Now all items are over now. We will total it. This plus type total is this much and minus total is this much. Then we will find the difference. The difference is, what is the difference? Find it. This is that debit balance shows. We don't take it. I have taken this debit credit return only to clear it. Now we are using the plus item and minus item. So here we are writing in the plus side. I erase it. Plus side mean upside the cash book balance is there. Now it is positive balance of the passbook. That is credit balance. Balance as per passbook. This is credit balance. Now whatever method you is easy, you can apply it, either this method or the another method. Now one more question I am going to take, that is the, if overdraft balance of cash book is given or credit balance of cash book. See, same way you understand it. When credit balance or overdraft balance as per cash book is given, OD balance plus minus, again I am explaining it, debit credit. Later on I will erase it. As the question number 6 is given, prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st January 2017. Now it is for January. Mr. Sanjay showed a credit balance. Cash book balance is showing credit balance. Balance as per cash book. That is called credit balance mean, or OD you can write, and that will appear. This is negative balance, minus balance. So you must write in the minus side. That is given 20,100. And rest of the item which are plus item, we will write the plus side. Those items which are negative item, we will write the minus side. Bank had paid fire insurance premium 550, which does not appear in the cash book. It is minus item. Insurance premium paid by bank, not entered in cash book. That was debited in passbook, not credited in cash book. Mean that was reduced from the passbook, but was not reduced from the cash book. So it should be reduced. That is minus item. We will write 550 as insurance premium. Second, checks for 25,000 issued during January, but checks for only 18,500 were presented for payment. Checks issued 25,000, but only the amount was debited in passbook rupees 18,500. Means still the 5,500, 6,500 were not debited in passbook. Means that was not reduced from the passbook. Cash book was reduced by 25,000, whereas the passbook was reduced by only rupees 18,500. Still the cash book is showing increased balance in the comparison to the passbook by rupees 6,500. So that we will add it, or that is the plus item. Checks issued but not presented for payment. That is 25,000 minus 18,500 and it is 6,500 plus item. Now next is interest collected by bank. Bank have collected interest on behalf of the account holder, that is on behalf of the Mr. Sanjay. Bank have credited this amount. Bank have increased by rupees 740, but was not entered in the cash book. Mean cash book was not increased, so that should be increased. That is plus item interest collected by bank. Interest collected by bank 740. Checks 8,700 were deposited into bank, but checks for 7,000 were cleared. Mean 1,700 were not cleared. The check was not cleared till 31st January. Mean that was not credited in passbook. 8,700 was debited in cash book. Only 7,000 was credited in passbook. Mean 1,700 is still bank is less. So as we have taken the cash book balance, that should also be less or reduced. Checks paid into bank but not cleared it. That should be reduced, and that is by rupees 1,700. 8,700 minus 700. 8,700 issued, paid, deposited, only 7,000 clear, 1,700 not clear. The last item is a customer deposited 620 directly into bank without informing Sanjay. The bank account being increased, passbook is increased, where the cash book is not increased, so that should be increased. That is the plus item. Direct deposit made by customer in bank. That is 740 rupees plus item. Is it 740? No, 620. 620. Not total both sides. Now this side, balance side is more than this one. Now we will write in this side. Does not mean the debit and credit. Mean the balance which we will get again now, that will show the minus balance as per passbook as per above given cash book. So right here. $14,490. 14,490 is the debit balance as per passbook, that is called overdraft. Likewise, other question we will solve it. Now we will see the another one, and you must practice on it. See it. Now we keep on practice on it by taking either plus minus balance or debit and credit balance. If any problem is there, you can ask me. Now have a good day. Thank you.